Hello viewers, welcome to Ekamais Academy. Today we are going to discuss about two important tiger reserves that are going to be submerged if a dam is going to be constructed in the near future. So recently, National Tiger Conservation Authority has warned two particular projects. So one particular project combined which is going to submerge two tiger reserves in the near future. So what are those tiger reserves and what is this dam which is being projected in the state of Madhya Pradesh? We'll understand in this particular video. So first we have to see the location of various wildlife sanctuaries, tiger reserves in the state of Madhya Pradesh. So first let us understand the topic we are discussing is Moran Ganjal irrigation project. So this is going to be a dam which is being constructed on two rivers, Moran and Ganjal. So what are these two rivers? First we have to understand Moran river is a tributary of Narmada river. We know in India we have two west flowing rivers, two major west flowing rivers. One is Narmada and Tapi. Narmada river originates in Amarkantak Plateau and it drains into Arabian Sea. It's very important because it generally flows in the western direction rather than in the eastern direction like other peninsular rivers, right? So then Narmada river has a tributary called Moran, and that Moran river has itself a tributary called Ganjal, right? So Ganjal is a tributary of Moran, Moran is a tributary of Narmada river, right? So then why is this particular project being planned? So to increase the water availability for agriculture and irrigation reasons, this project is being planned in the state of Madhya Pradesh. That is a recent context. So when this dam is being proposed, so National Tiger Conservation Authority, which is a statutory body especially dedicated for the conservation of tigers, has warned that if this project comes into implementation, it may submerge two major tiger reserves. One is Satpura Tiger Reserve and Wildlife Sanctuary, Melghat Tiger Reserve, which is situated in the state of Maharashtra. So these are going to get submerged in case if this project is being planned. That's the recent context. So first let us understand the rivers involved is Moran River, a tributary of Narmada, and Ganjal River, which is itself a tributary of Moran River. Then what is the location? These are located in the state of Madhya Pradesh. So first let us understand Satpura Wildlife Sanctuary. So this is situated in the state of Madhya Pradesh, especially in the Satpura ranges. So we know Vindhya and Satpura ranges are the central highlands situated in the north part, like you can say northwestern part of central India, right? The location is in the Madhya Pradesh region. So then this is part of Satpura ranges where we have deciduous forests, okay, which offers a thick vegetation and thick density of vegetation during the summers and winters especially, right? So this particular deciduous forest also hosts important species like tiger, leopard, hyena, etc. So if this particular project is being planned, this is going to be one of the submerged wildlife sanctuaries in the tiger reserve which is being planned. Then next one is Melghat Wildlife Sanctuary. So what is this Melghat Wildlife Sanctuary? So this is located in the state of Maharashtra. It is located in the state of Maharashtra. Earlier it used to be called as Melghat Wildlife Sanctuary, but now it was merged into Melghat Tiger Reserve. So we have to understand it was one of the 9 tiger reserves which was established initially under Project Tiger. So there is a project which was established called Satpura Melghat Tiger Corridor. So as part of this, for better conservation of tigers, there is a tiger corridor established between Satpura and Melghat in Maharashtra, so that tigers can walk free and they can conserve their habitat without any destruction, right? So that is the main thing. So but in case if this project comes into existence, both of these tiger reserves are going to get submerged. That's the main concern raised by National Tiger Conservation Authority of India. Now let us look into the practice question in this regard. Satpura range is located between which of the two rivers? Narmada, Tapi, Godavari, Krishna, Ganga, Yamuna, Mahanadi and Brahmani. So among this, what is the right option? Let me know in the comment section. Then we have discussed today about Moran Ganjal irrigation project which is being planned in the state of Madhya Pradesh. So what is the concern raised by National Tiger Conservation Authority? What are the two wildlife sanctuaries and the tiger reserves involved? What is the main concern of the environmentalists in this regard? We have discussed in this particular video. If you like the video and found informative, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for joining. All the very best.